The Smart Kids present.
Okay, this is exciting. So you can make a boat and then test it out in the water.
Hey, for the first two people on these ones.
Is that your plan, or what are you making over there with the star? Just whatever? Are you going to turn it into a boat?
No.
No? No boat for you?
No. I make a bowl.
Well, do you have your dish?
Yeah.
Get your little dish.
Okay, what's my little...
See the little cups?
These are orange juice cups. What? These are orange juice cups.
And then put a little bit of clay in it. And then grab a straw. There's the straws.
And what? Like 200?
Just one straw. Or maybe two.
Mine's gonna be better than that one.
Is that gonna be better?
Better than what one? What? Better than what one? That one? Yeah, that one.
Okay, then you stick the straws in the clay.
Why is that there papers of instructions if you want to build that boat?
I guess you have to look at the one that's already made and just, try to figure it out. And then you see those triangles over there in the middle with the holes? You grab two of those and put them on the straw, just like that other guy over there that's already done. See it? Yes. Yep. And then fold it over.
No, I'm just going to...
Oh, you're gonna put them together? Or you can fold it.
No, I don't want to fold them. I
You
don't
don't-
want to fold them.
Oh, okay, you got your own idea? Oh, you're gonna do that? That's smart. Okay, I like it. What do you think we need?
Wind.
You need some wind to make these sail?
Yeah, but there's no wind.
Just blow on them a little bit. There you go. Oh, harder. That's better. Well, I think they look great. Great job, buddy. Great job. Really cool. Are you gonna take those home and try them in the bathtub too?
Daddy, good news.
Tell me.
Daddy,
Yep.
the people will get on this because look what you have to wear.
Oh, painting's next with an apron? Oh, nice. Okay, let's go try it out.